Yes. Hush.
Very good. Some good stomping on this stage. Ladies, would you like to join us in the dance? Now you've got one here who knows what you're doing. Has she studied? Folks in the back, swing your partner round and round. Very good. Don't do it too long. It's like the previous dance, back to the front. Thank you, dear. That was lovely. Give our dancer a big hand. The escapee. Slow it down a bit for the ending and the stomp, if you will, ladies and gentlemen. Big hand for our dancer. Young lady, what's your name, darling?
Catherine.
Say again?
Catherine.
Catherine, big hand for Catherine, who did a cameo appearance and got out because she knew the pirate was probably going to kidnap her for being such a fine dancer.